Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to our channel. And as you can see, we are doing another brick break of DC Hero Clicks Masters of Time. Okay, while we are waiting for the release of the Black Panther set this end of August. So I have here the brick that we're going to break. Okay, so it's a sealed brick. And allow me to share my screen. These are the participants for our brick break. Okay, so we have, as you know, 8 regular boosters here. Jasper, Joseph, JV, Oni, Larry, are the 6 participants out of 8 regular boosters, and Joseph is going to get the super booster for this particular break. Okay, so as mentioned, there are 2 empty slots. Okay, so what we're gonna do, it's gonna be the discretion of yours truly what will happen to the 2 slots after the 6 slots have been opened. Okay, but top of mind, I'm thinking if the remaining 2 are good boosters, we just probably bump up the price to if it's 1-3 now, so siguro 1-5. Okay, and 1-5 priority would be yung people who signed up for the brick break. Okay, and if it's not so good boosters, we just bump it down to 1-1 in that sense. Okay, and again, priority the six individuals. Okay, if it's a mid booster, the 2 remaining, then we'll probably keep it at 1-3, the same price. Okay, and then we'll figure something out. Again, I can offer it to those who participated. Okay, and then if they don't want, then it's open season for others in this particular room. Okay, so if not, then we'll just factor that in. We can probably include it in our one of our weekly tournaments. Okay, sige. So is that fair for everyone, especially those who are involved? Can I get a thumbs up? Wala. Kinig ba ako? Okay, let me see.
Pagka
Okay. 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 Sige. So, Julian, you know that you are also unmuted, so just be careful lang. Okay. Sige. So, as always, we're going to, what you call this? We're going to shuffle up the 1 to 8. Okay. We'll probably have, uh, we'll name this Open A and Open B. Okay. The last two. And then, of course, Joseph has the Super Booster. Okay, so and mentioned as well in our Facebook, we're gonna have 3 bounty sets. Okay, so I need 3 figures. Preferable super rare tayo, super rare and or prime, okay lang kasi ano naman ng prime din, one per brick lang. Okay, so I need 3 figures nominations, siguro one from one from Joseph. Okay, and then one from Ken. Ken was here first, one of the first ones. Nominations for our what you call this bounty prizes. Sabi yung bounty natin. Let me pull it up.
Wally West Caveman.
Wally West Caveman, that's bounty A. Okay, bounty A,
Or
Wally
I.
West.
Basta may dito.
Uh, sino gusto mong bounty B? Or Joseph? Anyone?
Black King.
Black King? Ah,
Oh,
Clock King, Clock King, Clock
Black.
King. Clock King. Bounty B is Clock King. Joseph, Bounty C?
Tapos na?
Hindi pa.
Okay.
May dalawa pang slot pag gusto mo. Pwedeng magtaas yung presyo or bumaba yung presyo ng remaining slots depende sa pools. Yun ang ano lang, decision on it in that sense. Okay. Bounty C, Joseph. Joseph, can you name a figure you want for Bounty C? Name a figure for Bounty C. Sorry, ano ba? Galing kasi akong Landmark, Makati, and so traffic pabalik. So these are our Bounty figures, guys. So Bounty A is if anyone pulls the Wally West, okay, you get Bounty A, Manbull, Jack, and Wrecker. Okay. Bounty B pala to, si Clock King, sorry. Bounty B, Clock King, Lady Deathstrike, Deadpool and Bob, a Legacy card, and White Fox. Okay, and then Bounty C, Joseph, super rare on this from the set, from the Masters of Time. So I decided we identify three bounties para mas madaming chance to get. And then if hindi makuha yung mga bounties, we can add more for each bounty ABC. Okay? And then of course, everyone who's here, the six participants will be part of the raffle for the legacy card. Okay. Joseph, hindi ko nakita. Ay, ano yan? Nalilito ata si Joseph. Larry, bounty figure, since you're one of the six. Can you speak at this time? Sino gusto mong bounty? Bounty C. Hala. He's asking you to pick one figure from the, yeah. Joseph, pick one except for Wally West and Clock King. Pwedeng Prime, let's say Etrigan Prime, Blue Beetle Prime. Okay lang yan. Mute ko si Sandy. Okay, mukhang mabagal lang. Joseph, don't choose from the ones in the picture. From the Masters of Time, pipili ka ng isang super rare or prime na figure that you want to be the bounty. Meaning whoever pulls that figure will get bounty C, Nighthawk, Genie Hex, and Cinnamon, the Western, the Wild Wild West set. Okay. Ako na magde-decide. Ang tagal ni Joseph. Constantine na lang tayo. Sige. Joseph, go. Constantine? Okay. Constantine. C for Constantine. Okay sa'yo, Joseph? Okay. So, bounty C natin, Constantine. Okay, that took a while. So, anyway, it's fine. We're introducing somewhat a new mechanic for our brick. Okay, so let's go ahead and randomize the name of the participants. Again, final call for open A and B slots. Okay. Let me share my screen. Share. Share. Ito. Okay, so this is the what dice roller. Okay, and list randomizer. Okay, let's see how many times we'll randomize the list. 5 times. Okay, and these are the 8 participants. Okay, boosters 1 to 4 are the back row, left to right, and boosters 5 to 8 are the front row boosters, left to right. 3, 4, and 5. Okay, please take note of your spot. I'm going to copy paste it as well. Sorry, here on the slides. Okay, and we should be good. So slot number 1 is open B. Okay, Larry, Jasper, Joseph, open A, JV, and Onim. And then the super booster will reserve it last for Joseph. Okay, so let's go ahead. Don't worry. I have naman your the list. Let me just remove spotlight. Okay, you should be seeing my hand. Okay. So let's go ahead. Booster number 1 is open B. Okay, so that's reserved. Okay, this is our legacy card. Later na yan. Left to right, guys. Art spotlight na lang ako. Ayan, pwede naman. Mas prefer nyo ba one spotlight lang o dalawa? Okay, just taking out the plastic wrappers. Okay, we're ready for booster number 1. I know, booster number 1 is open B. This is open B. Okay, so open B. Open A, open B pala. Open B. Ano ba? Open B. Okay, put it there on the side. Booster number 2 is Larry. Larry, are you here? You're here. I can see you. Stop ko na ata. Nasa buong recording yung face ko. Ano ba? Oh.
Yes, I am here.
Yes, here's your booster. Okay. Siyempre, naghahunting si Larry ng dark side. Okay. Good luck, Larry. This
Okay.
is... Oops.
You know.
Kita mo?
Wala pa.
Wala pa eh. Dead man?
Jeff Chase.
Jeff pala. Oops.
Jeff Chase.
Uod. Oh, Morgan Le Fay.
Sino yan?
Si Morgan Le Fay.
SR ba
Oy,
yan?
bubble wrap. May bubble wrap.
Uy, bubble wrap.
Ay, Batman. Sino to? Wonder Woman and Batman.
Kala ko Prime ulit.
Kala ko eh. Caveman. Okay. This is for Larry.
Okay.
Okay. Ay, mukhang ihirit pa si Larry ah. Larry, that's for you. Number 3 is... Ano ba? Number 3 is yours truly. Yours truly. Let's see. We have... Uy. Sino to? Supernova? Oh, tanggal natin card. Oh, rare. Nighthawk. One of our bounty. May echo daw. Unmute. There you go. Yan. Better? Nighthawk.
Oh, Jasper, naka-echo ka. May echo. Naka-echo ka.
Ngayon wala na. Time Stealer.
Yan, wala na.
Batman. And Prehistoric. Okay. So, rare. Nighthawk. Ano ba yan? Hindi na mawala-wala yung Nighthawk. Binounty ko na nga. Bumabalik pa. This is Jasper. Okay. Booster number 4 is...
Sa'yo pala yun.
Akin nga eh. Ginawa ko na ng bounty. Bumalik pa din eh.
Sino bumili ng dalawang booster?
Wala pa. Baka tumaas ang presyo, as I said, depending on the pools. Guys, ito yung Joseph, this is yours. Medyo parang yung box niya. Dented.
Naku, yan ang mga swerte, yung mga UP-UP.
Yung mga UP-UP eh. May yan eh. Pamahiin yan eh. Joseph. Up. Daxamite.
Uy, yan yung kasama nung ko, Prime.
Uy! Joker!
Greenman!
Chase Greenman! Joseph!
Ayan, Joseph. Grabe talaga si Joseph.
Grabe ka, Joseph. Grabe. Grabe, Joseph. Greenman. Okay.
Metang-meta ng team ni Joseph ngayon.
Oo nga, Black Lightning. Tsaka, Black Lightning si Joseph and
Top 4
Jefferson.
yan.
Oo. Sergeant Rock. Red Arrow. And Black Hawk Pilot. Okay. Joseph, congratulations. Mukhang ano talaga. This is your set. Parang this is your
Congrats,
set,
Joseph.
Joseph. Parang this is your set. You've been pulling great for this. Greenman Chase. Okay, kailangan mo lang ng broadsword. Okay,
Tapos kanya
wait.
pa yung big
Sa kanya
boosters.
pa yung big booster. Oh my God. Based from experience, ano to eh. Pag green man, ang big booster parang si Green Torch. Let's see. Parang I remember nung nasa Singapore tayo, Larry, no? Green man tsaka Green Torch.
Yes. Green
Oo.
torch.
Number 5, this is the front booster. Don't leave pa guys, we have pa lots of freebies. So wala pa tayong nakukuhang SR and wala pa ang ating bounty. Okay. This for you. Good luck. Man.
Dito tawag ko.
Okay. Let's see.
Meron
Superman.
pa. Yung ano,
Dari, ano ka? Di ka nakamute.
yung battery.
Batman. Superman. Puro Justice League
Ultra Chase.
Puro Superman eh. Oh, Supergirl.
Putang ina ng Supergirl. Putang ina.
Puro kapa eh. Puro kapa to Yun na kaya ang last. Booster Gold. Justice League Booster. Okay. So, that is your pool. Supergirl, of course, one of the best pulp pieces at the moment. So this is her. Okay. Number 6 is Open A.
Uy,
Number 6.
wala pang SR.
Number 6 is Open A. Oy, mabigat to.
Wala pang SR, no?
Parang gusto ko tong Open A. Ang bigat Mga dark side to
Wala pang SR?
Wala bang SR? Ang bigat nitong Open A, man. Okay, then ano natin yan?
Totoo ba yan o lie?
Pag hindi mo kukunin ko yan actually. 7 is JB. You sure SR na yung mga boosters? Hindi natin alam. We'll see. JB, this is for you. This JB here na. Wala pa. Bilyones, wala pa. Okay. Pero priority naman would be yung as I said, yung mga, yung anim.
Pag nagkita tayo, ma'am, ito yung in-order na listahan ko.
Oops! Trick arrow.
Although nasa akin yun pero yun yung biniper ko, di ba?
Sorry, imumute kita. May naririnig kami. JB, Trick Arrow. Dr. Fate. Perdegadon. Ooh, of course, one of the meta rares. Booster Gold
Meta.
and Animal Man. Okay. Trick Arrow. Must have for any team to have a Trick Arrow, especially the Nth Metal anti-stock click. And you should have 3 of that. Sabi nga ni Kennard, tatlo na sa kanya. Last one is Onin. Onin, this is yours. Wala pang SR, guys.
Nako,
Wala
si
pa tayong
Oni na
SR.
naman. Swerte yan. Go,
Wala pa
Oni.
tayong SRs. Okay. Okay, let's see. Unggoy. Green Lantern. Si Genie Hex. Bubble Wrap.
Uy, bubble wrap.
Bubble Wrap. 1, 2, Ay, Batman. Batman SR. Shifting focus Batman. Si Omega Batman SR.
Ganda niyan.
Our first SR for the brick. Okay. So it's an
Yes.
SR, so we have to
Isang plain
take a
rice.
look at the card.
May garlic rice ba? Garlic rice.
Okay. There. Kala ko wala Batman SR, Omega Batman. Okay. So congratulations, Onin, for the SR. Okay.
May Batman ka na, may Doc Ock ka pa.
Kuha mi na isang booster, sabi ni Joseph.
Ha?
Kukuha daw siya ng isa. Para mukhang set niya
Hayop
eh.
talaga.
Mukhang set niya eh. Papapiliin natin ha.
Very good, Joseph.
Jambulin natin. Kala mo na jambul eh. Open A or open B? Ano to guys? Since isa pala yung SR, we have to bump up the price just to be fair as we said at the beginning of the brick break. Okay, so we have one SR. We have to bump it up to 1.5. 1.5 siya, Joseph. Just confirm mo muna. Think about it first. Confirm, sige. Okay. A or B, Joseph? Meron pa bang kukuha?
Grabe naman, may bump up pa.
Oo, kasi SR eh. Ano yung mas mabigat?
Thank you for calling Sterling.
Ano sinabi ko
Kung hindi
kanina?
SR yan, 1-3 ulit ah.
Pag hindi SR, edi ano na yun? Sure SR na yan. Ano ka ba?
Oo, pagbaba mo ngayon, ipili
Parang
mo rin sa
open A yung mabigat na sinabi ko kanina. Pero ito, yung open B, Joseph, ano yung box niya? Sira yung box. Ayun no?
Let me just pull up the car now.
Oh. Sira yung box niya. Yung open A, malinis yung box. Okay? So, it's up to you. What do you want? Open B. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, guys, meron pa bang kukuha na isang booster? Kasi ang gagawin ko, first priority si Joseph kung gusto niya kunin yung open A pag gusto pa niyang humirit. Kasi siya ang kukuha ng open B. Just to be fair with him. Ano ba? Ano, Joseph? A or B? Please decide. B is the bent box. A is I think A is a bit heavier compared to B. So you have to choose. Baka, ano yan? Sorry, pa-confirm ulit, Joseph.
yun talaga.
Akin na yung bent box.
Talaga.
Hindi kasi
Talaga.
sinabi ni Joseph
Wala daw
open B.
talagang
Open B,
laman.
Larry.
Okay, kung ganun. Right?
Okay.
So, meron po ngayon.
Ano, kukunin mo na ba, Lars? Yung
Yung
isa?
crushed tomato, marami ako pinili kasi para sa party sa Sabado.
Larry,
Pero
kukunin mo na ba
konti lang
isa?
yung party, 50 lang.
Hindi.
Hindi na?
Yes. Pero sobra na yun.
Open.
Kasi nahirap na natin yan. Ngayon nakakita ko. Kaya
So
bumili
again,
na ako ng
first dibs dito sa open A if ever si Joseph.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Salamat din. Yung mga bilin ko,
hindi,
baka hindi mo naman makalimutan mo.
We'll keep it at
Okay.
1.5. Okay? Para lang to be fair. Open B. Open B, Joseph, the bent box.
Ikaw
Good
na
luck.
magsabi kay Emerson, bumaba na siya kamo para
Larry, minute kita for hearing talks. Okay. Okay, exciting. So wala tayong bounty. Ano ba? Open B. Joseph, good luck. Look. Time stealer. Look. Oops, ano yun? Tumalsik. Robin. Robin na walang ulo. May tumalsik. Tumalsik yung ulo niya. Robin na walang ulo. Okay. That's the rare Robin. Antro. Prehistoric. And wala. Uod. Nasa kabila. Sa mabigat. Baka dark side. So this is for you, Joseph. Okay? Bent back siya kaya nasira yung ulo ni Robin. This is Joseph. So isa pa lang ang SR. So high probability na this is an SR. We opened a brick before na parang dalawa lang SR talaga. Hindi ko na maalala exactly yung ating Singapore brick. Pero this looks like the Singapore brick kasi nga may Green Man tsaka may Batman Omega. Hindi ko lang alam kung naka-dark side tayo nun eh.
Ano nakuha?
Rare Robin. Ala, sure. Wala pang bumili pero i-offer muna kay Joseph kasi siya ang nagbumili ng B. Joseph.
Ano flavor to?
Japanese.
Pakitake mo sa microwavable.
Joseph daw pass. Okay. Larry, i-mute kita kasi rinig ka namin. Kim, I will mute you, Kim, kasi you are, there's a lot of background noise on your end, Kim. Other participants, 1-5 for Open A. Please mention whether you want to get or pass. Paunahan na lang, guys. Excuse me. 1-5. This is the heavy one. If not, bubuksan ko na to. Okay, guys. Meron bang takers? Ang ating 6 ay Larry, JB Onin. Larry, JB Onin. Pass na daw si Joseph. In 5. In 4. In 3. In 2. In 1. Wala na, guys.
Sa akin na daw, sa akin na.
Sa'yo na. 1-5.
1-3.
1-5 to, super rare to, confirmed.
Sige, akin yung one.
Just to be
Okay,
fair.
go.
Just to be fair, kasi 1-5 yung kay
Okay.
Joseph. Okay. Larry, get this. Okay? We hope makuha mo na ang gusto mong dark side. Parang mabigat eh. Let's see. Larry, this is yours.
Okay.
Easy company ba to?
Prime
Dinosaur?
yan, prime. Kaya pala mabigat, dinosaur.
Ano to? Uy, si SR. Rip Hunter.
Pwede na.
Okay, pwede na. Ano mabigat dun? Dalawang dinosaur. Kaya mabigat. And Zatanna. Okay. So, pag dalawa pa lang dinosaur, guys, mabigat. Pero yung super rare, Rip Hunter. Okay. Not bad.
Okay,
Not
thank
bad,
you.
Not bad. Thank you. Meron pa tayo, guys, ha. We're going to raffle, of course, the legacy card. Okay? And unfortunately, walang nakuha sa ating bounty. So expect na sa next break, we will have more items. Okay. Joseph, this is yours. Ito ang sense ko dito, Joseph. Baka green torch to. Kasi yung nasa Singapore, I distinctly recall.
Bakit marami pareho lang yun?
Yung brick ni Onin, parang ganito yung collation na green man and green torch. Okay. Let's see. Green torch nga. Green torch nga. Rinig yung isang convo call. Larry, ang gonna muted. Okay. Sorry. So we're not as quiet today. That's fine. Okay. Green torch nga. Joseph, you got green torch. Okay. So perfect for your green man. Pwede ka na mag-green lantern team. And you also have another green figure here. You have Green Arrow. Green Arrow. Teka lang, nasan yung isang figure? And you have wala yung isang figure? You have a Trick Arrow. Ganda yan, ha? Sakto sa green arrow. You have a Trick Arrow. Legacy card. Antro team up card. Okay, so Trick Arrow, Antro team up, Green Arrow, and Green Torch. Okay, so one of the Justice League, Jurassic League figures. Okay, so congratulations, Joseph. Not bad. May kasama pang Trick Arrow. So, always a good thing to have a Trick Arrow. May Trick Arrow ka na ba, Joseph? O first mo yan? Okay. Allow me to share my screen. Wala pa, first ko. Okay, good. Allow me to share my screen. And we're going to now look at the, what do you call this? Raffling the legacy card. Okay, so guys, unfortunately, wala nakakuha ng ating bounty. So we'll just add more bounty to the A, B, and C in the next break. Okay, but for now, we'll copy this. Okay, and then we'll see how many will get the 7. Okay. We're gonna randomize the list. Okay. Sorry. We just need to add lang the names for the Open B. Sino ba yung Open B? Si Joseph? Joseph. And then Open A, si Larry. Okay. So again, guys, we have to roll 7. We have to randomize it 7 times, okay, for us to see who will get the legacy card. Okay, 1, 2,
Ano laman ng big booster?
3. Green torch nga. 4.
Green torch nga.
Ay, sorry. Ano ba? Hindi pala yan. Sorry. Ito pala yan. 1. Walang prime. O, minsan talaga walang prime. Baka nasa kahati. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And whoever is on top after this randomization will get
Okay
the
na yan,
legacy.
okay na. Ako na yan.
Will get the legacy card. Okay. Joseph, you get the legacy card. Talagang ano.
Pinaka-waiting talaga.
So, Joseph, here is your legacy figure. Okay, let me stop the share.
Card lang.
Okay. Legacy card lang pala. Ano ba? Legacy card.
Libre figure.
Ang bawi sa isang 1.5K. Gamble. Ano ba? And you have, sino to? May perplex, saka may enhancement. Irma Ardin. Ay, Saturn Girl. Saturn Girl pala. So, Saturn Girl, legacy card for Joseph.
Parang ano yan mind control.
Mind control, Pensai, Senses, tsaka Perplex. Pwede na. Pwede
Yeah,
na.
malakas yan.
Oo. So, again, thank you very much, everyone, for joining. Okay, so I have to end the meeting because the children are sleeping in a while. Okay, so thank you very much. I'll send you the pictures in our chat group. And hopefully, the next break, we have a couple more Masters of Time coming in. Hopefully, we get the bounty. If not, carry over sa Black Panther set. Good evening, guys. Bye-bye. Stop the recording.